In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use search limiters to refine your database searches. We're using the RILM database for this example. And let's do just a simple keyword search for Martha Graham. For you non-dancers, she's a famous dancer and choreographer. So we'll type in her name, Martha Graham, and click search. And we get 292 results, which is kind of a lot to look through. And if we scroll through, we see at least the first 3 results are in German. But what if you can't read German? We can actually narrow down our results by limiting the language. So if we go back to the search page and do another search, still for Martha Graham, but we'll scroll down here to the limiters, and here is where we can choose the language. Where it says language of item, we'll scroll down and just choose English, and then click search. Now we have just 269, so that filtered out about 23 non-English results. We can narrow our results again by choosing even more of these limiters. Note that they're also available here on the left side of the search results page, so you don't have to keep going back and forth from the search page to the results. So if your professor specifically asks you to find scholarly articles, you can limit your source type to just academic journals, right here. So if we click that checkbox, it will redo our search and narrow our results down to just 53. There are plenty of other helpful limiters too, such as limiting to just articles that include the full text in the database, or you can limit by date with this date slider. You can limit to multiple source types, and more. Limiters can be really helpful when you have too many search results to look through. Just keep in mind that by limiting your search, you may be excluding resources that might actually be useful for you. So it's best to limit just a little at a time to gradually narrow your search without excluding too many relevant resources. Feel free to ask your librarian for help.